Hello everyone. Here I am to show flavored one-pot meal, coconut milk pulao in instant pot. This pulao comes out super fluffy and non-mushy with less oil. Tastes so delicious with coconut milk flavor. Enjoy with your favorite curries and raita. Here is my time saver tip. You can cook this pulao at bottom along with white rice on top with trivet. As you see, 2 dishes gets done at one go. Such a big time saver and so handy it is. Let's get started. First take 2 cups of basmati rice in a bowl. Wash 2 times to get rid of the starch. Drain and soak for 1 hour. Minimum 30 minutes is better. Now use salt mode on instant pot. Add 1 teaspoon oil and half a teaspoon ghee. These are the whole masala items I am going to use. Add 4 to 5 bay leaves, half a teaspoon shahi jeera, 1 inch cinnamon stick, cloves, peppercorns and cardamom each 2. Mix all once. Let's add rest of the ingredients. Add 5 to 6 cashews, 6 mirchi, few curry leaves and mint leaves. Add half a cup long slices of onion. I keep all ingredients ready and add at once. It helps to avoid burn with less oil. Now add 1½ teaspoon salt. If needed, reduce salting to less heat by pressing salt mode until you see less on panel. Add 1 teaspoon crushed kasuri methi. It adds nice flavor. Add half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste at the end. Otherwise it's going to stick to bottom and misleads instant pot for burn signal. Now it's time to add soaked basmati rice without water. Mix rice with spices and salt for a minute. Add 1½ cup coconut milk and 1½ cup water, same quantity as that of coconut milk. If you notice, basmati rice versus liquid ratio is 1:1.5. So for 2 cups of basmati rice, we need to add total 3 cups of coconut milk plus water. Stir the rice with liquid gently. Now close the lid to sealing. Cancel the salt mode. Pressure cook low for 7 minutes. No need of keep warm mode. After natural pressure release, one spin goes down. Open the lid and fluff the pulao gently from bottom to top. You can see how fluffy the pulao is. Enjoy this super yummy coconut milk pulao with your family. Hope you like my instant pot coconut pulao recipe. Stay tuned for many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.